Hi, I'm Ventura County Supervisor Kathy Long, and I'm here to ask for your support for the Kensington Foundation. The Kensington Foundation works to help our very youngest children who need acute care and rehabilitation care, and to keep them in our county so we can care for them rather than traveling to Los Angeles. We have a wonderful healthcare system. We care about our children. The Kensington Foundation has for years now reached out to gain support, gain funds, put on events, and get volunteers and get folks to support their efforts again to bring our children and keep our children home when they need acute care and rehabilitation. So your support of them would be immeasurable and invaluable. Please support the Kensington Foundation. They do great work for our children. Thank you.